Hello friends and welcome back to my another easy hair tutorial that is good for every day. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create a beautiful bun from a simple. Let's start. Make a half ponytail of crown area here. And secure it with elastic. Now pull some hair for texture look. Again, tie the hair with elastic to make a ponytail at the base of the head and twist it. Now make a simple 3-strand braid. Here wrap the braid to make a bun. Now secure it with U-pins. If you want to see more tutorial, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and share the video.